To Bob Killer. All my niggas is running 50, a true hitter. Struggling, running, I need another roof flipper. Hold down with the shit wet. Are you flipping another coin with the bitch dead? All passion but no glory when shit hits. Dash out on a nigga when he skip death. Or you feel that pulse. Stuck in the fear would be alarm. Most of your niggas are slipping, talking on with charm. Falling the shame, falling the pain, getting harm. Baby scan cut, let the soul feed the farm. All laughter, no frown, to be real. You get back, you beat ass, you stay still. You feel that, your feet grass, you so feel. You dash out, you pass out, you say kill. Dash out, make a nigga pass out, make a nigga crash out, gotta keep it real. Send a nigga mad now, gotta keep my ass out before I go to jail. Now I gotta keep it chill. Yeah, dash out, make a nigga pass out, make a nigga crash out, gotta keep it real. Send a nigga mad now, gotta keep my ass out before I go to jail. Now I gotta keep it chill. Yeah, dash out, make a nigga pass out, make a nigga crash out, gotta keep it real. Send a nigga mad now, gotta keep my ass out before I go to jail. Now I gotta keep it chill. Yeah. Now I gotta keep it chill. Yeah, dash out, make a nigga pass out, make a nigga crash out, gotta keep it real. Send a nigga mad now, gotta keep my ass out before I go to jail. Now I gotta keep it chill. Yeah.